Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to diagnose your plant using the PictureThis application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now you should click on the diagnose icon at the top of the screen, which is the first icon in that box. Click on it and then tap on the button auto diagnose. Now you should capture angles of the whole plant. Tap the button in the middle of the screen. If you are done with it, as you can see, it analyzed your pictures that you have took of your plant from different angles. And as you can see, it's written in the middle of the screen that your plant looks healthy, there's no problem detected. However, if you feel the need for it, you can ask the expert for help. If you want to diagnose for further problems concerning your plant, then click on this button, but you need to be a premium member in order to unlock this feature. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.